Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete a story on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course, and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So, in the bottom right corner, see the spotlight, so we can check out all the videos that you post. We can see your friends and everything, and other options are your photo camera and the chats with your friends and your location. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete a story on Snapchat. So to do so, follow these 4 easy steps and you'll do it in no time. So go to your profile. You can do it by clapping on your Bitmoji icon. You can see it up here, as you can see on the top left corner. Then under my stories, tap on my story to of course go and view it. Then press and hold on each snap you want to go and delete, and then just tap delete snap. The snap will of course be deleted and you will be of course you won't have it anymore on your timeline. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.